Let's be honest, a weak password is basically an open door to your AWS environment. Today, we're locking it down. I'll show you exactly how to configure a professional AWS password policy in minutes, ensuring your IAM users are following best practices without the headache. Let's get into it. That's it. Your AWS environment is now a lot more secure. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more cloud security deep dives. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or let me know what AWS topic you want to see next. Thanks for watching.